Every night before bed, I always write down 3 good things that happened to me. It's one of the exercises I'm studying.
And what? Just like that, you're happy?
Kind of. Like, name 3 good things that happened to you today.
Okay, Wendy. I don't think I could name 3 good things.
The weather's getting colder and I'm long natural gas. I get to drink white wine again. And I'm okay not wearing deodorant.
Ooh, those are good.
Did not need to know that.
Okay, Helen, your turn.
Okay. Well, I'm glad we're having this conversation.
One.
Okay.
The oatmeal this morning was slightly less rubbery.
Two.
I
All
agree
right,
with
keep it
that.
coming,
Yeah.
dig deep.
Yeah.